All right, mate, let's look here at Dash. You know, you said it dipped 5%. There was a bit of a dip last night. That BTC bearish 3-day stop hunt took its toll on everything, actually. So let's have a look here. And yesterday it ended up actually being a pretty bad bearish rejection day, unfortunately. From here, you know, at one point it was up 5%. Damn, and then I don't know what time you messaged on this. Where was that? 1 a.m. So it seems like it bought right on the highs. So ideally, the situation kind of is at this point a little bit like maybe something like this, you know, where the moving averages need to be holding. There can be dips down, and you can see even this was a stop hunt of all of this entire range, but it held, and we got that pump back higher, and then we got a dip right back down to wipe out the longs again before the real move. So, you know, what I said yesterday is price needs to take out this. It needs to somehow, whatever way it's going to do it, is it going to come back down, test this, and you know, grind back up? But whatever happens, it needs to hold these moving averages. Another thing I just want to point out, just from looking at this, I made I can share this in the test pump channel, but you can see right here there was a test pump right here, and then that was an indication. Then the price just grinded higher. You know, from that alert alone, you can see even the next day there was a huge dip, and you could have got in on Dash and a potential 140% move. I mean, this is an indication. This test pump is an indication that whales are FOMO buying, basically, and it tells you a little secret that whales are accumulating. So you know the whales have now they've bought that, and it's already went higher. So it's oh, I clicked the wrong thing there. I meant to click a fib. So you can see that this is back into the golden pocket right in here, in and around this area. You know, I would, if you're holding longer term or whatever, looking for that bigger move up, I would probably add on a stop hunt below this low, if the market gives it to us, or I would add when the 3 months candle has a bit of a dip. And as you can see, that this is forming a very, very bullish structure. In theory, this should be very bullish. So a dip on a new month could actually be down to stop on that level on a new 3 month. This is a very bullish pattern, and these can do something like that afterwards. It's very, very possible. This is a new chart. It's not the old chart with all the data, but you can see from here, this is potentially extremely bullish. Just as an example, it's not the best example, but you can see right here, you know, you get this grind, you get, I probably should draw that maybe there, but you can see it's kind of somewhere there anyway. Let's move this out of the way so there's no confusion. But you get the rounding bottom, you get the push up, you get the pullback, you get then the green candle that's potentially a bullish engulfing. Now this is forming a little bit more bullish, but if this drops into the end of the 3 month, you can see that this new 3 month here opened up green and then continued to go higher, pushed higher, and that uptrend continued. And to be honest, it's continuing still to this day. Link BTC looks to me like it potentially can do something like this. So you can see where we're at here. This is a bullish pattern. Is it going to dip away into the end of the month? Are we going to get some sell-off into the end of the 3 month? Some profit taken from whales into the end of the quarter because they want to rebalance their books or whatever? You know, maybe. At this point, we cannot rule that out. It is something that is done quite often, that there may be sell-offs into the end of the quarter. There's 10 days left, 13 days left, 2 weeks. So we do need to be on guard of a bit of a dip into the end of the quarter. But if you look at this structure, you know, overall, Dash here looks really good to me.